How to log into Muslim Pro app. 1. Open the Muslim Pro application. 2. Follow as in the video. 3. Select Profile. 4. Select Login or Sign Up. 5. Select Continue with Google. Success, you have logged in. Don't forget to like and subscribe.